We are pleased to show you 2016
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.